Happy Vlogmas! We are going to participate in Vlogmas this year. If you don't know what Vlogmas is when YouTubers, they literally post a video every single day from December 1st to December 24th. We're just showing Christmas spirit to everybody. And it's supposed to be Christmas related videos. So we're going to attempt this and we hope that we can keep up with it because filming and editing the same day can be a little bit...
It's going to be 24 videos.
Yeah, it's going to be
Christmas.
It's going to be really challenging. But we are committed. We're going to try this out. And hopefully we can be successful. My hair is purple today. Details coming soon. Be on the lookout for a video on how I got my hair purple. Today we are going to be doing shopping for Darius's Secret Santa. His job does Secret Santa, and he has to find a gift.
$25 limit.
$25 limit.
And I usually get the best gifts, so I gotta. I try to put thought in my gifts for the person that.
Okay, but last year everyone had thoughts in their gifts. I thought all their gifts were good.
Everybody usually do pretty cool gifts. But
so
this one's gonna be hard because this person has pretty much
everything. So the exchange happens when he has the holiday party at his job.
Look, IKEA.
Oh my gosh. Can y'all see it? I can't. It's like throughout all these trees. Oh my gosh, see the blue? IKEA's coming to Norfolk, Virginia. Ah! It's so beautiful.
Dang.
I can't wait. I'm gonna live there. Oh my god. Stop, you're gonna crash somewhere. This video is going to be about if you have a Secret Santa, we're going to give you some gift ideas because you don't want to do too much, but then again, you don't want to be too little. So that is what we are going to give you guys suggestions if you have a Secret Santa. And hopefully we'll find something for Darius's Secret Santa. And then we'll also have an update video when we have the holiday party, when he has his holiday party, and to see if his Secret Santa actually liked the gift.
And of course, what I get too.
And what he gets too, yeah. So someone has him. We don't know who, obviously. But it's gonna be interesting. I never had to do Secret Santa. Is that car like?
They over the line.
Jeez, people can't drive here.
The gifts I usually try to get gifts that you can use throughout the year. That you're gonna use multiple times, not like something you're gonna get.
It's not like you can get a shirt because that's like weird. See? Look, this is cute. Oh, but it has sizes though. Do you know what size you would get? It's like a cardigan sweater. It's cute.
Is it sleeveless?
Yeah. Well, it's kind of like a vest. It's like a sweater vest. But it's within your budget because half off. Alright, option number one. Clearly his Secret Santa is a female because
I like this.
Why else would you get this?
And it's something that you can wear like multiple times, you know? It's not like you
What
wear
are you, a fashionista?
You don't wear it like one time and then you never wear it again. Or you use it one time and then you lose it or something. Like you could wear this.
This is a cute add-on. Like,
yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so this is good.
I like that. And I like that it's half off. We are in the Gap, by the way. These scarves. These scarves are cute.
$26.
27.
And they have both?
Yeah.
Mm.
But it's just a basic scarf. Scarves are, okay. Scarf is a good idea, but if you know that the person has a lot of scarves similar to these patterns, then you probably don't want to get it. But a scarf is always a go-to for a Secret Santa. So this is a great idea, just not for Darius' situation.
Mommy, I don't want it.
You don't want what?
I don't want to go.
I like these jeans, but this is not a Secret Santa gift. This is on Ashley's Christmas list. Maybe the colors discontinue. So we found this on the clearance, $14.99.
Is it half off of that too?
I don't think so. What it say? It's not. It just says clearance.
I could do that plus this scarf. I like this one better. This color. I need to get her to try it on for size. I think it's, yeah, that's good. I think that's a good size. Look at her belly.
I'm just...
She's scared to go put this on hold.
I'm not scared. It's just
the line
a
is so long.
line. I'm like about to skip everybody.
So I'm gonna put it on hold myself.
Oh my gosh. Where are you gonna put it at? This is how you put stuff on hold yourself. Hey, what are you doing? Secret Santa gift ideas for men versus females.
I like for females, I think it's good, like scarves, gloves,
candles,
sweaters.
I say candles, but Darius said no.
Candles. What if you get somebody to smell that sends them back to something that trauma or something from their past?
Why are you thinking so deep? This ain't Criminal Minds or SVU.
You
Like, what are you?
Them a candle and they're gonna smell it and like have like a panic
flashback?
attack.
Oh my god. So yeah, for guys, I think guys wear scarves. Not all guys wear scarves. I would say socks.
Yeah.
Socks are always a go-to, like fun socks. That's always affordable, under $25. What else? I wouldn't say cologne.
The best, I got a Yeti last year. That was a really good gift.
Oh yeah. Are Yetis even $25? Or they more?
You can find it, I'm sure. I use that thing like every day.
So yeah, that's a good idea if you know that they like tea or whatever.
Cozy socks.
Cozy socks, $4. New York and Company.
$6.
$6 and 23. These are cute. And it has a little to and from. It's a good gift.
I like the dark gray.
I like this mauve color.
I like this whole idea and the price, but
it feels like $6.
Yeah.
Although it's supposed to be worth more money. Those supposed to be like $23.
It says 23.
I don't know. I feel like this will like snag easy. This is like different compared to the Gap version. So
yeah.
So second store was a fail. New York and Company. I thought that was supposed to be like a good, like, not high quality store, but like, I don't know, their stuff wasn't all that in a bag of Doritos. It had really nice...
The stuff that was for sale was like cheap, you could tell.
They have really nice jewelry. I would suggest jewelry maybe for a female, for a Secret Santa. If you already know that they already like jewelry or a certain type of jewelry. I feel like if a Secret Santa, if it's at work, like you already know kind of like how they're dressed, what they like.
Yeah.
So you should kind of like have an idea already. But I really would suggest to go to like an outlet, if there's an outlet near you, so you can get the best price. Next store, Express. So men's Secret Santa, Express socks. They have the craziest socks. And they usually have a deal, but today they don't have a deal. So one sock is, what did I say? Oh, $8.95. Darius actually got all his groomsmen Express socks, so everybody at the wedding wore crazy socks, right? Can you listen to me? Just ugly. I think these are cute ideas for female Secret Santa too. And always be like a little to-go makeup kit, wallet. Ties are buy one get one free. I think ties are also a good Secret Santa gift. Ooh, this is reversible. Cute. Excuse me?
I might buy a suit.
Excuse me? You might buy a suit.
$139.
Wait, we shopping for Secret Santa, not for you. Oh, is this a Secret Santa gift?
No.
Exactly, Makenzie. No. You're just gonna shop for yourself?
You can't turn down good deals.
That's good. $139.
Let me try. Let me look. I don't know how to
$139 for a suit at Express. If you're looking for a suit, come to Express, I guess, because apparently Darius said this is a really good deal, and this is interrupting our Secret Santa video. Oh, you got your Secret Santa suit?
Oh, sorry. Back to regularly scheduled program.
Let's see if Darius's hiding spot worked.
Right where I left it.
Oof. All right, recap time. We were here for way too long because of him. Because he wanted to take a detour and go to Express, which we were supposed to look for gifts. but he wants to try on all these different suits.
They had a good deal.
But still only came in with one suit.
I got shoes.
Yeah.
Kenzie got shoes. So, the main point of this video though was the Secret Santa gifts. So throughout this video we said some gift ideas. So what Darius chose was that cardigan vest thing from the Gap, and he got these gloves. They're really, really soft. They're better quality than New York & Company, so definitely check out Gap outlets so you can get the additional half off. So these gloves came out to $5. After we was done with the Secret Santa, we went to H&M, and I just always wanted like a little fur jacket just to like throw on. Darius doesn't think that I'm gonna wear it all the time, but I think it's like a nice statement piece. Just to throw on to give it a pop if you're wearing a boring outfit. So this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can really like tell what it is, but it was $35. I really wish I could wear it tonight if we go out tonight, but Darius said it doesn't look good with my hair color.
Too much.
I don't understand if people like have like real purple hair, you know, permanent.
Then there's certain things they can't wear.
Well, that's annoying. I guess, thank God this isn't permanent. And the last store we went to was Nike. We weren't supposed to go there again. And he went. I guess he got some pretty good deals. He got some sneakers for himself. And all the clearance stuff was an additional 30% off. So he got these black sneakers.
Just some regular Nikes.
They came out to $38.47 out of $55. And of course, I'm sure it's more money with the original price, but that was the sale price, $55. And then we got some shoes for Makenzie, although they're kind of big on her now, but they were like the cheapest ones. They're kind of cute, really bright and white. She's gonna dirty this like the second she puts this on. But they were only $12. These are pretty good and they're nice and comfy. Some Air Maxes, $12. Can't beat that. So this is the end of our first Vlogmas. We will post another video tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe. Tomorrow we are going to show you guys our Christmas tree and all of our decorations. And Darius is going to put up the lights in the front yard.
I don't know about that.
And me too. I'm going to help my daddy put the lights in.
You going to help him? Hopefully you found this video helpful and give you some ideas for Secret Santa gifts. And we'll keep you updated if Darius' Secret Santa actually liked the gift. See y'all tomorrow!
And comment down below and subscribe and ring that bell and get a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm going to have a big sister.
No, you're going to be a big sister. Why do you keep saying that?
Yeah, I'm going to take care of the baby. Daddy, look!
Let's see.
Can I go there?
How do people have no coats on? Why are you recording this way?
Oh.
You need some cutty.